Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your heart rate monitor to Strava. It's a straightforward process that allows you to capture valuable heart rate data for your activities. Most modern heart rate monitors, whether chest straps or armbands, use Bluetooth Low Energy to connect. Before we begin, please make sure your heart rate monitor is fully charged and within close proximity to your mobile device for a smooth pairing experience. Now, let's get started with the pairing process. First, open the Strava application on your smartphone. Once it's open, tap on the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner, to access the settings menu. From there, you'll want to select the record option and then proceed to external sensors. At this point, ensure your heart rate monitor is powered on and ready to be discovered. With your heart rate monitor active, the Strava app will automatically begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your heart rate monitor appear in the list of available sensors. Simply tap on its name to select it. The app might ask for confirmation to establish the connection. Once confirmed, your heart rate monitor is successfully paired, and its data will be ready to be recorded with your activities. To verify the connection, start a new activity recording in Strava. You should see your live heart rate displayed. If you encounter any issues, first ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Also, check your heart rate monitor's battery level, as a low battery can prevent connection. If problems persist, try unpairing and then repairing the device. Enjoy tracking your heart rate with Strava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.